Hey buddy, what's up?
Okay, Lumo. Let's go.
What is this thing?
Any ideas? I'll be right back.
Cheer up, humans.
Pizza? Chinese?
Sorry, I'm vegan.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Fancy a flyer?
Whoa.
You're welcome.
Okay, Lumo. Go.
Sir, yes, sir.
"360-degree sound, the way life and now music are meant to be heard. This is the OE Mars 1. Designed to fit into and enhance every space, the Mars 1 audio system has been engineered to complement and improve your quality of living. An advanced device that fills your life with high-fidelity music rather than filling up your home with expensive clutter. No longer must you tolerate cumbersome traditional hi-fi systems, nor endure other wireless speakers' mediocre sound quality. The Mars 1 has been meticulously engineered to provide comparable sonic fidelity to devices twice its size and 3 times its price. Numerous technical advancements, such as a 360-degree omnidirectional ribbon tweeter, the 360-degree median speaker, a newly designed long-stroke woofer, and a high-power digital amplifier were employed to achieve these uncompromising results. The Mars 1 is also easily controlled with your phone when a quieter approach is needed. Multiple connectivity options, paired with cutting-edge technology that brings you lossless audio, gives you the best sound, no matter your music streaming service. And a 4-layer piano lacquer finish ensures that the Mars 1 will be a beautiful addition to your home. Bring the highest quality 360-degree audio experience into your home by backing us today. Thank you.
This is the story of how Viso changed my life. 5:02 a.m., I wake up to get ready for work. Tailored shirt, timeless, classic. Coffee. A gift from my lover. Viso 360 Smart Dashcam. Beautiful design, intelligent features, a refined innovation for car security. 6:13 a.m., I head out to install my Viso 360. The specially designed mount supports all types of cars, and the strong magnetic attachment makes it effortless to install. My new life with Viso begins now. Oh no. It was clearly this idiot's fault, and I can prove it. Viso's 360 camera system captures all around my car without any blind spots. Using the dedicated app, I can wirelessly transfer videos to my phone, and the 4K HD video shows everything in crystal clear detail. It's an open and shut case. 1:26 p.m. I believe in working hard in order to... Someone just hit my parked car, and she just drove away. A classic hit and run. But Viso automatically detects accidents even when my car is off, and the low-power sensors do not drain the car's battery. With its 4G capability, I'm notified immediately by receiving a video clip to my phone. I've got all the proof I need for an insurance claim. 6:21 p.m. It's been a long day and I feel quite sleepy. Thankfully, Viso's sleep detection feature uses facial recognition to alert a drowsy driver. That was close. Viso, you saved my life. 11:16 p.m., I'm finally back home. As a crime deterrent, Viso's bright LED light remains on at all times. This lets others know that Viso is watching. Looks like I'm in safe hands. 9:46 a.m., I go on a road trip with my best friends. Why don't I capture this spontaneous moment? With just a single press of a button, I can take a selfie in the car as well as the outside landscape, all in one seamless 360 image or video. With the dedicated internal battery, I can even take Viso outside to use it just like a regular 360 camera. An unforgettable memory captured in a gorgeous 360-degree image. And I can quickly share my photos and videos to social media directly from the Viso app. My life is now fully protected, all thanks to my Viso 360 Smart Dashcam. Thank you, Viso.
Modern home security means flexibility. The Ultralock U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the Ultralock Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The Ultralock U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt. Pre-order now on Indiegogo.
Shooting cinematic footage is no longer just about image quality, but motion. This is MUI, the first pocket-sized dolly for smartphones, making it possible for everyone to capture cinematic footage. With the retractable phone holder and the patent-pending rotary legs, make it possible to achieve perfect linear and curved movements with one tool. What about cameras? Just snap the swivel clip and mount your DSLR, mirrorless, or action cameras. The secure ball joint allows you to capture from any angle. The foldable legs make it compact and create a low center of gravity, providing the best balance even with a DSLR. We've tried hard to develop additional abilities for MUI that enhance its ease of use and boost your creativity. Attaching the Flow modules will transform MUI into a motorized dolly. Flow is the most intuitive and simple way to have an automated motion. Just turn it on and scroll for speed adjustment. With Flow X, MUI becomes completely hands-free. You can adjust speed, direction, and control your camera remotely. MUI will go fast enough to follow the action and slow enough to capture perfect time lapses. Track will turn your MUI into a lightweight and easy to set up slider that can be mounted to any tripod. It is made from airplane-grade aluminum to ensure the best quality and stability. It's foldable and compact. Just put it into your backpack and discover the world. MUI is small, but powerful. It can shoot steep incline shots on load, climbing freely along the track without a cable or belt. We've gathered an amazing team of product designers and engineers. We iterated and tested it over and over again, finally creating something we are truly proud of. Our mission is to empower and inspire people to tell better stories and make professional videography available for everyone, anywhere, at any time. We are now ready for the first mass production run, but need your support. Back us today and help us bring the most versatile and affordable filmmaking tool into your hands.